Haydn begins on the key of G major. So let's start on to G position, G, B, D, and left hand in the middle position. Where the middle C is, I'm going to be on G, B, D as well. Here's how it goes. Let's start with the right hand on G position. So there's a couple of times we have to move back and forth right here. Where it says shift, that means we're going to move our fingers. So look at your music when you're playing this very carefully. Let's start together onto G. G, B, D, shift number 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, shift 5. Turn your finger over to F sharp, F sharp, G, G, A. Shift to 3, F sharp. Shift to 2. Shift back to 5. Turn to 2 on the F sharp. Shift again to 3. F sharp. And jump. Left hand will be playing primarily chords. We have the snowman chord, G, B, D. We have a second, C and D, a third, B and D, and then we have a sixth, F sharp and D, and sometimes we have a fifth, G and D together. Okay, let's start from the beginning together. Starting with the snowman chord, G, B, and D, jump. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Second, third, second, hold down, F sharp and D, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, jump. 2, 3, 4.